Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is letter to your father asking him about the health of your mother. Let's start. First, write the address Examination Hall, City ABC, 20 March 2020. Dear father, very yesterday when I came back from school, I received Ahmad's letter. I have come to know through the letter that mother is suffering from fever. I am worried about her health. She is already weak. Please take care of her treatment and diet. You should consult with some specialist. Ask her to take her medicine regularly. She should also take complete rest. I shall be thankful if you inform me about her present condition. I hope she will get well soon. Your loving son, XYZ. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.